Over the last 4 years, I've been trading meme coins and I have made millions of dollars. And I have formulated a strategy where I've consistently made over $2,000 per day. So today, I'm gonna break down this formula in a step-by-step basis. So by the time you finish this video, you also can implement my strategies. So first of all, guys, you need to get yourself some Solana. Solana is what powers the whole meme coin ecosystem, right? The best place to get Solana will be Coinbase. So make sure you go to the correct site. It's coinbase.com, right? Sign up, put your card on, and simple, buy Solana. Now, once you bought Solana, you are ready to play in the field of meme coins. Now you want to download a site called bullx. If you look in the description below, I have an access code for you, and this will get you in and bypass the 2-3 million person waiting list. Once you got that, guys, you want to go to your wallet and you want to add funds. Copy this address here, and you want to send your Solana here, guys. All right. So you go to your Coinbase, and then you use this, and you send your Solana, and then within seconds, you would have your Solana in your wallet. All right. Now we're going to start playing, guys. We're going to start playing. We're going to start playing in the meme coin world. So let's do your filter first. First of all, this side is what they call new creations. New creations means when the meme coin is launched, it goes straight on here. Our objective is to get in these coins below 7 to 8K market cap. So our risk to our reward is low. There's more reward than it is risk. That's why we want to get in low, okay? Here is where we find volume. So we want to find volume coins. This is why we put 5 minutes and market cap of 19,000. So these are fast paced. As soon as something is getting volume, getting attention, it's here. Let's just go on, for instance, let's look at this. Paste the alpha. All right, look, quick volume. Volume's coming in. Let's see if we can have a nice little scalp. All right, we're gonna wait for a dip. There's a dip here. We're in, and we're gonna sell 100% as it goes up. Be patient, and let's sell. Let's have a quick scalp, because that's what we're doing, guys. We are scalping. Remember that, scalping. So how much did we make on that quick scalp? Nothing, $10, but we didn't lose. That's the main thing. We're not here to lose, all right? We're here to see volume, jump in on the dip, and get out. Fees are low. Fees are a couple of dollars, all right? So on to the next, right? So here is the volume. Here is when it goes on to something called radium, right? Radium is where it goes live basically everywhere, right? Well, everybody else can start trading it outside of Pump.Fun and bullx. So here's the risky plays, because they've already run up to high market cap. Very, very risky plays. Here is a little bit risky, but if you do what I just done then, you know, you can mitigate risk by getting in on a dip and then getting out on a rip. Or if it's a bit stagnant, then you want to exit, okay? So the filters here, we want to do, we already spoke about that. Here is no filters, guys. All right, now let's talk about fees. Very important, because you want to keep your fees low, but also enough for you to get your order activated. Let's go. Now, 100% slippage. So you're getting in and you're getting out, no issues. 0.01 priority, and your bribe is 0.03. Your bribe has to always be more than your priority fee. Same things with the sales. This will get you in and out of projects, no problem. And what we use instant trade. This is actually built in with bullx, and it makes it a lot faster. So we want to get in, we want to get out fast. Now we want to do, guys, I'm going to show you how to track profitable wallets and make money on autopilot. Let's get it. So we're going to do some scaling now, guys. So what I'm looking for something new, I'm looking for something unique, and I'm looking for something different and something with volume. Look, that was 11K market cap. I see a bit of volume, but I'm always only going to go in a dip. Dev sold, and it's already taken off. So at least you know that people want it, because the dev sold and people are still buying it. But we're only going to get in on a little dip. All right, but the volume's coming in. That is great as well. Remember, guys, you want access to this tool? It is in the description. Also, what I like to do as well, guys, which I'm not going to do right now, but I like to check the socials. So this has saved me from getting rugged and losing money so much times. So we clicked onto the Discord. I'm going to do it slowly. Usually, when you're doing your actual scalping, you want to be faster, right? So I take this Instagram URL, all right? I copy it, and then I go to my Discord, all right? Go to the Discord. Now, we want to check if this has been reused. So we go to tracker, so Twitter, and we're going to put this in here to see if it's been reused. So look at this now. No, it's not been reused. This is great. So to me, this shows me that this could potentially be a legit project. Remember, when you trade in meme coin, you want to find many different factors to make up your decision. If the factors are good, we ate. If they're bad, we walk away. So it shows that this is not a reused Twitter, meaning that if this was reused, they would have loads of different past names. And to me, that would be a rug, because that means that this dev is continue to rug projects and using the same Twitter all the time. You might think, oh, he will just change it. You'll be surprised. So many use the same Twitter. All right, cool. So this is one of our tools in our Discord. You want access to this tool, the link is in the bio, and it's got many different tools. Also, we use bundles, so we can check if it's a rug. Basically, a bundle means where a developer owns a huge amount of supply. If he does, he's going to rug on us. He's going to sell his tokens, and we're going to lose our money. So that is what I use, a couple of my tools that I use. I want to show you guys that. Now, all right, let's get back straight into it. Let's start scalping. So I'm looking for something new, something different, something with volume. And I could be here for minutes or I could be here for hours, you know? The aim of the game is getting in and out. If it's a good project, you let it run on volume. If it's not, then you just sell before it goes down, right? So I'm just gonna keep scanning, looking for volume. At the end of this video, guys, I'm gonna give you a Brucey bonus, how to track profitable wallets. What I like to do as well, guys, is it's always good when you start your day, is to look on the right-hand side to find narratives. This whole industry thrives off narratives. If you know the narrative of the hour of the day, then it's going to help your decisions for your scanning, okay? So let's look at the current narrative. Elon's a narrative. Okay, what we've got here. So Elon, C1, dog, dollar, USA. Okay, there's not a clear narrative. It's just a bit of everything. Cool. So we're not looking for something specific. We're just looking for volume. What's going on here? Let's wait for this to maybe bottom out and maybe get a reversal. No, we've got to move fast, guys. We're in and out, fast pace. All right, quick $50 there, guys. So we're like $60 in and out, and we just continue to do this. You know, if you make $100 in 5 minutes, most people earn that in a day. So we're gonna keep scanning, keep looking for more opportunities. The main aim of the agenda is getting in, making a profit, and not losing, guys. This is why you want to cut the losses very, very short. And let me show you a trade. All right, guys, now I'm going to show you a trader that does this and makes $1 million a week. $1 million a week from this strategy right here, okay? But you want to be on it for like an hour, 2 hours, sometimes longer. I just haven't got that time on this video. So let's go for a well-known trader called Cupsy. Guys, $1.9 million in 7 days scalping meme coin with this same strategy. If you look, his strategy is he goes in and out. Look at this. Bought, sold for 10% profit. In and out, 10-20% profit. In and out, 10-20% profit. Day in, day out, hour by hour. Kids are absolutely making millions from this, guys. Millions. Cool. See nice volume here. I'm going to wait for a little bit of a retrace, and then we're going to enter, guys. Remember, buy dips, sell, rip. Okay, let's get in. And then we're scalping. Wait for a bit of retracement on the upside. Okay, boom. Nice little scalp. In and out. We sold. How much you make there? $150. You do this every freaking minute of the day. You're making thousands. That's how I make over 2,000 plus a day and living my dream life in Dubai. Yeah, I know. You know how we do? You can do it too. So, guys, now I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm going to show you guys how to actually track wallet and copy trade all these profitable traders, right? So this is what we're going to do. You go to a meme coin with high volume. Look here, volume, $2 million. You click on this, you go to top traders, and then you go down and see who's made the most. This guy made $76,000 in that 7 days. So what do you want to do now? Success leads clues. This guy knows something that we don't. So I want to know every time he trades, and I want to get the alerts because I want to copy him. So I take his contract address, I'll go to my wallet trackers, and I'll put the address in, and I'll put his name, whatever I want to call it, and then I will save it. I can't add no more wallets because I've got my maximum capacity. And then now, guys, every time he trades, I will get alerted and I will just copy his trades. Even deeper than that. When you're actually trading, you can put display options. Oh yeah, that's it. And while you're trading, is the people that you track would also pop up here, all right? Pop up here. Obviously, it's not now because I have to be on the charts. And you see all the profitable traders on this trade, all right? To get it on, you go to here and you put tracked wallet, okay? It's off there now, and you put it back on, okay? And then you see it when you're actually on here trading. So guys, now you can go out there and you can make money in meme coins. Remember, if you want help doing this, check the link in the bio, get into the Discord, and we're gonna help you make money with meme coins.